Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this step by step how to index a page on your website. So you want to add that page on your website. You want the Google and the rest search engine to index your page so that your visitors can find it. People can find it on search engine. So here is how to do it. Let me quickly show you on this website. Let's say I want to unindex this page right here. So I don't want people to find it on the search engine on Google or the rest search engine. So I want to unindex it. So to get started, if you want to write new post for your website, you can go here and create new post, or you can go here and create new page if it is new page that you want to create for your website. So me, I already have a page here that I want to unindex. So let's go to my dashboard area and unindex this page here from Google and the rest search engine. So the first thing you want to do now is you want to go to your pages, if it is pages or if it is posts, you can go to all your posts here. Just over to all your posts here. All your posts is going to show up if you click all posts. If you want to add new post, as you can see there, all my posts here. If you want to add new posts, you can add new post here. If it is pages that you want to index, just go there and it's going to click. When you click that, it's going to show up. And if you want to add new, you can add new here and create your page. So I've already have my page here, my post here, and I want to de-index it from Google. So let's go. So here is the page right there, the post right there. So I want to edit it. You can click on top or you will go to the downside here and click edit. So let's edit the post right there, right now. So if you are using the second column to edit your website, you can see all these box here at the right side of your website. If you are not seeing this, you can just check the top here and you check the second column. So all these boxes are going to show up. When you scroll down here, you are going to see this thing here, the visibility. So there is where you're gonna set up your no index area there. So here at the general area, you can add your meta tag here for your page. You can add meta description for your page. That means you are CEO of your website. Here you can add your social media. You can edit your social media area. The visibility is what you want to do here. So just click visibility. So here is where you can add your canonical URL. Okay. Here indexing. Here is where you can change indexing. So now it is in default. So the default is to index this post. So if you want to know index here, you can just click this box here and you can choose no index there, no index here. Then you're ready to go. Another thing you can add is Roblox meta setting. So if you want Roblox to follow this or to unfollow this, you can set it. So let's say I don't want Roblox to follow this. I don't want robots to follow this page here. So you are going to click the box again and you choose no follow here down below. No follow. Add no follow there and you are ready to go. The Google and the rest search engine meta settings. Roblox won't follow this page here. So if you want to hide it from the archive, that means people are not going to be seeing it on your website. You can just go here and add no archive. And there you are ready to go. When you finish, just go back up here. Here where you say update, just click update and your page the no index has been applied to your page. So now Google and the rest search engine won't index your page, and your visitors and anybody who finds on Google, nobody can find it on Google. This page here. So that's how you apply no index. If you want to unindex your website, that's how you want to unindex a page on your website. That's how you can do that. How you can do it. It's very easy on what you can do. So guys, you've come to the end of this tutorial here. If you have any question or anything to say about this video here, let me know in the comment section here. Yeah. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.